Conan, that's not a kitty house. What are you doing? Well, welcome back. We had a little short break there while we dealt with that and did a little cameraing, and I took the liberty to take out a few screws and save you from all that fun part, and Conan came over to help. So here is our back door off. Conan can go right through the middle now, but he hadn't noticed it. And that's right there. Come back over here, and then we have a side panel that's off. Look at that. And set it somewhere out of the way to keep moving this day. Hey, poet, I know it. Oh,
I thought you said you took out a couple of screws.
I did. A couple of hundred, it seemed like. On the top. And it looks like aluminum in there, but it's not. It's magnetic. Everything I stick a magnet on seems to be magnetic. So here we got the side. It's got 2 burner elements at the bottom and 2 burner elements in the top. All this stuff is snapped together type crappily. So we're going to see if we can find our screwdriver, who's hiding over here, and get some of this took apart without all the exact undoing it that you're supposed to do. Oh, that's right. I forgot about all the elements. So, can we see this high up? No?
Yes.
You can see that?
Not the top.
No?
But
That's what
straight
what
on.
I am doing with my...
I can see your
tool.
hands.
Okay.
Wait, I could just do this.
I can just... whatever. Okay. Because I want to pry these things here up.
Yeah.
They need a bunch of undoing of things, but it's too much to undo them. I just want to try to make them pry up, but not being too successful there. There we go. We seem to have that one mostly loose, but not loose enough. Let's see if this screwdriver will convince it to come off of there. Boy, I think the normal way of doing it might actually be easier than the speed it up, do it crappy way. Except I can't see these little tabs good enough really to see which way to turn them because of blindness and needing new glasses. That one appears to turn that way. That one appears it should go to there. That one I can't see. Appears to go to there. We'll see now how that works. Didn't work out great. Well, got that piece of crap out of the way. Oh, that's right. We were doing this other trick. I forgot. Why don't y'all remind me?
I thought that it was funnier to watch you straight.
Yeah, that's right. And this one was easy to break off anyhow, and it's done it on its own, so that's good. Come on. There you go. So a little piece of steel can go in that little piece of steel bucket. Let's come over here and use that turn enough to screwdriver to make it pop up enough. Back touching pretty thing again. Come on off of that. There you go.
That looks sharp as shit.
It is sharp as Shylock Holmes' underwear. That should turn what? I'll do springy type.
It's
All
like,
right.
yeah, it's weird.
It's the old springy dingy type. Instead of the rods, I like that better.
Oh, that was simple.
Simple enough. Simon.
Theoretically, couldn't I just pull this up then and you could...
That won't get... Yes, you could, but that won't still...
You could cut that in.
Yeah, I can get it. That way it don't hurt you.
Yeah, I just wanted to show.
Uh-huh.
There you go. That was nice. It was kind of loud though.
Yeah. Oops. Feel about it. Adding that right there for now. Feel like it? It's really greasy too, so. Well, first we want to normally get this piece off.
Yeah.
Which can just get it started by pries and stuff like that. And then grab it with the pliers and twist it around to get it unlocked. There you go. That unlock that side. And unlock that side. This one here wants to really be stubborn. It ripped in half. Now I got 2 pieces on this side and one on this side. I don't really have to break them off. I don't know where that piece went, but this guy should come up here so we can whack his spring off. There, he got his spring whacked off. Now, let's see, screwdriver, here's a tab here. You stand that one up. Now let's see something here to stand up. Conan. 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 Oh, there's another one there. We missed that one. How you missed that one? It's right next to the other one.
Impossible.
You wouldn't think. Piece of the sharp 10 out of the way. Regardless, it still don't want to come right off of there. And really, you know, they don't have to. We have another trick coming up shortly for it. Here's all the cute stuff over here on this end. Let's see how this piece here is connected. Let's see. Let's take these wire cutters and cut that one. And we can just unplug if they want. They don't seem to want to, and we don't want to seem to play with them. So wires, cutters galore. Wire cutters, cutting everything. Cut, cut, cut. Cut, cut, cut. Cut your booty. My hands are greasy from this greasy, stupid piece of stove. It's not even going to give that much. It's interesting if I don't play with and look at, though. Some wire. Another wire. Oh, don't put it there, cut it there. And some wire guards. Get all this stuff here over here out the way. We can cut them off lower in a minute. Let's fold this on over and see how is it attached.
Are those light bulbs?
What?
Inside of this?
They shouldn't be.
Okay, it's metal rods. At first I was afraid of it. Looked like glass and I was like, no.
I'm trying to see how this here is attached because I thought it had 3 screws that we removed already. Wow, what's all these? Oh, there's some tubes you're talking about. They come sliding right out.
Yeah. That's why I thought they were glass.
They do seem to be like glass. Yes, they are glass.
They're crystal.
I don't know what
Let
they
me
are.
see.
I don't know what they are. Watch out, that one has a broken end on it already.
Maybe not, but I thought they were glass. That's why I was...
A couple more pieces of glass right here on
freaking out.
the counter. Let's lay them over here in the out of the way place for a moment.
There's still one left inside.
Yeah, there's got to be one somewhere. I think it's here, eh?
Yep. Yep.
Okay. Oh, that was the one that's broke. Okay, lean it back. Hold on 1 second. Let me get the screwdriver inside of it and keep it on course. Okay, lean it over this way again. Right, hold still right there. Alright. Huh, I never seen such. I never took one of these models apart. That is strange. Strange indeed.
touch the super greasy part until that point.
And you found out what it was all about then, huh?
Yeah.
I'm trying to see how this dang control board here comes off of there. Because it doesn't come off very easily. And it looks like it's snapped in there. But I can't tell. Can't tell what exactly it's doing in there. I took the screws out. I see they're all out. But for some reason, this joker don't want to give it up. I must be missing something. Okay. I see like a tab over there. I think those is just holding the rubber, and that made it look pretty. Somewhere there's a screw that I'm not seeing. Maybe it's inside of the box. Maybe that's why. Hey, dummy, you're using that brain for something other than hat holder. Well, we'll just forego that for a moment and come over here. See what we can do with this motor and get this out the way. Get this out the way. Why? Oh, because they have nuts on them.
Yeah.
Dang it.
On the other side.
Yeah, that's why the screw just went so far and then it spins in place. It's amazing. Nuts and washers to hold that in there. Who would have thought? I thought it was just screwed in there and let it go like everything else. Then you try to put the nut back on, it don't want to go back on. Da, 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 da. I guess you see on your camera whatever you're seeing, huh?
Yep.
Any minute there, dog. Your mommy will be home. We done went on forever here. What's going on with that? Oh my goodness. Hello, dog. You learning to tell what time she gets home from work now?
That's good.
Alright, let's move this motor. What is on that side of it?
Did you say what kind this was?
I done forgot. It's on the glass door. I don't know, we forgot to say the door. Hey, it's Black & Decker. Look, see the door? We took the door off too.
Look at all those things at the bottom.
Yeah, in all the directions.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. It's right on the door where you can't miss it.
Hey, puppy.
Oh my goodness, the more stuff I take apart on it, the more stuff I see in the way on it. Like this one. What are you wanting to do? Go outside? I know you were just busy at that moment chasing the cat. That was just meanness and play there.
Bring it back and flop on my bed.
That's good. Alright, so both of these are loose, but they have some stuff from the other side making them not come out. So that's not friendly.
Well,
I don't want to take it apart just yet because the shaft, I was trying to leave the shaft on it
yeah.
until I figured out a little more about it. That little motor with that shaft on it might be useful for something. Actually, that little motor with that shaft is because this freaking oven had a rotisserie
Setting.
The stick ain't there, but it had a rotisserie stick at one time that goes from one side to the other.
Yeah.
The rotisserie
Wow.
on that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Nifty.
Yeah, these Nuts don't want to cooperate. Come on now, I'm gonna try this. This will get you going, Annie. Are you gonna make me put the screwdriver on the other side? Alright, tired of that. Tired of that. This whole thing is aggravating. Let's see, let's put this in there inside to take that screw out. And that screw out. And this is the thing that held the rotisserie bar I'm taking out. Look, see? Kitty Cat said, "What was that? What was that, dude?" That's right, I hadn't took these bad gizmos off here, have I?
No, it's on this side.
Well, let's see if I can straighten that one up. Straighten that up. That. Turn that. I'd much prefer to have screws in it that I have to take out than these little pieces of metal to bend one way or another. Especially when I'm blind and can't see them. Oh. That doesn't help me much. We through with this little project already. You're like, yeah, you should be. Dude, you're taking too long. Are you helping on that side then?
I'm trying, but I'm more for detail work, to be honest.
There's the spring.
This is too...
The heat up spring. That one out. That one out. You're doing it. You're doing it.
Very slowly.
Stand all these gizmos up and point them in the right direction. You look like they are
Mine
now.
went inside.
That's alright. Pop this thing here off of it. Come around it. And then lift it out. It's the springies that we cut. Same with that. Yeah, straighten.
I think that might be...
Okay, go check and see.
What? Okay.
And then you can come back and pause if necessary. Talking to the dog. Alright, let's pop this one right here off and then take a short break. A moment break. And then we'll be right back.
Charlie.